you do the searching, but we shoulder that search for you. So we say, yeah, you're on the right track, or no, you're not, and we keep you on the straight and narrow, and then we negotiate at the end for you, and we purchase together. So that's a pretty cool learning experience for someone that wants to be hands-on, has a bit of time, but just lacks a bit of confidence and know-how. So. Righto, so there we go, debrief, buying a property in 7 days. Now, a lot of people will say, yeah, that's great, but I want to outsource that, or I need a shoulder to cry on, or to vent my obstacles or my frustrations, okay? So what have we got? We've got a 1 hour clarity call, which will overcome a lot of obstacles and short-term roadblocks to be able to allow you to move forward and go and do all of this stuff. So I highly recommend that if there's a bit of uncertainty happening in your own life at the minute. We've got our online property coach. You've got your own login to our portal. There's videos, there's webinars, there's so many resources in there. There's templates, there's a whole, from start to finish, basically property investing 101, 4 years of my property experience amongst everything else that I've learned along the journey. So that's pretty cool. Get in there for as little as, I think, $12 a month, but you can go to the Rolls-Royce version. It's like, okay, I really want to embrace this, and I love some one-on-one coaching, just like getting a personal trainer in the health and fitness industry. We've got our one-on-one coaching as well. So just hit the link below and you can reach out to us, and I can have a chat with you about what that entails. But if you're really serious, that's definitely the Rolls-Royce pick version. But if you're starting from scratch and you just want to get your wheels in motion, then the online property coach is an awesome starting point. So there we have it. They're the main things. From a buyer's agent perspective, if you think, yeah, I want to buy an investment property, but I maybe want to buy it in a different state or a different location where I've never been, or I just don't know my strategy, even though I've gone through these 7 days, then that's fine. We appreciate that sometimes we outsource these things in life, and we pay the experts because that's what they do on a regular basis. We've got a buyer's agent service that basically covers Queensland, New South Wales, WA, Victoria, South Australia. So if you want any more information on that, again, click below to get all of that information, and again, you can have a chat with myself to find out what options may be best suited to you. We've got a cool package in there that's not a full box and dice buyer's agent service, but it's a we'll hold your hand, you do the search bit. So we'll create the strategy, you do the searching, but we shoulder that search for you. So we say, yeah, you're on the right track, or no, you're not, and we keep you on the straight and narrow, and then we negotiate at the end for you, and we purchase together. So that's a pretty cool learning experience for someone that wants to be hands-on, has a bit of time, but just lacks a bit of confidence and know-how. So check that out as well. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed all of this. I've enjoyed giving it to you. If there's anything else, just let me know. All the best.